Today I'm at this valley number 2, and this is one of the stream that feeds it over there. Now it's dry. Then we are entering somebody's farm. They have stopped farming. Here, just a couple of days back, I discovered a fruit that is new to me, which I hadn't seen before. It's called Artocarpus lachucha. Artocarpus lachucha. And a beautiful tree of moist forest borders, even evergreen forest it occurs, it seems. Then not much inside evergreen forest, and the more on the borders and moist places and around human habitation in many of these tropical places like South India and then maybe Bhutan and then Thailand and all. And it's a large spreading canopy. The top of the canopy spreads quite a bit when it grows tall, and it becomes a large and beautiful tree. That fruit is when it's ripe, it's yellow, and the pulp, that skin, and then the seed, everything is edible, it seems. And then I have seen, actually I've tasted this one when we were kids and all. Also in my mother's kitchen it was there. It was this dried powder of this lachucha. It is called Vaatey hudi in Kannada. And those fruits are collected, yellow fruits, and then they are dried and sun-dried and stored as a souring agent for curries and all kind of dishes, a preserved item. And then it has a lot of health properties also. And fruiting season has just begun, so not many fruits are there, still they're green. One or two have started falling. It looks like this. We'll have a look at it now. Since it's Artocarpus is that jack family, so it is that pokey thing on the jackfruit tree, on the jackfruit. In this particular fruit, it's reduced to a fine kind of a fuzz. Then inside it's tasty, it seems, sour sweet. You can see that milky latex also of that Artocarpus. So the seeds are flat, and the germination rate also is poor, it seems. So multiplying them is a bit difficult. And monkeys eat them, elephants, then some of these bigger birds, they swallow it. Then fallen fruit are the local, all people collect it. It's a commercial thing. This can be sun-dried, and then powder. It becomes a blackish powder, some kind of salty kind of sweetness. It's a very nice taste maker in the curries and all. And then that pulp also is edible. It has some pulp. And it's a beautiful tree, large, and that thick dark green leaves. Also the leaves, this fruit is a little irregular size. These lobes and all are a bit irregular. So that's about the fruit and its uses. Then the leaves are having high protein, up to 16% protein, it seems. And in Nepal they are using it to feed cows and all, fodder for buffaloes and cows. And leaves have a mild fuzz also when you touch it, and thick. Very nice pattern is there. large leaves, about 15 centimeters and all, the larger leaves, huge leaves. Then let's have a look at the bark also. That's the bark. There's a pothos candens climbing on it, and then bark looks like jack only. So it is edible, useful for birds, animals, humans, herbal. Wood also is quite good. Many of these Artocarpus family have quite nice wood, and this is also one of them. Then we'll have a look at it from a little distance so that you can see the overall shape. So those thick, those large green leaves, that's the tree. This Artocarpus, I'll take the camera upwards slowly. So beautiful large tree. And the leaves also very attractive, dark green. Like that. So maybe in a month the full fruiting will, all those unripe ones will ripen and fall. People, it's a good plant for farm borders and all. So that is about this Artocarpus.